Oh crap! Clipshow! Come on, get in here!
What are you
Get in here! Come on! Come on! Barricade!
Here's the barricade!
Come on!
I'm barricading!
Come on, get in here!
Serpentine!
Come on! Stay here! Grab the blankets!
Why is there another clip show?
Clipshow, we're...
They're strapped for content, apparently.
Let me see. Can we? Is there still a clip show going on?
I don't think it's going away. I think they plan on doing like 3 more. I think so.
I feel like 3
Hold
more
on.
episodes tops.
Hold on. I think we might be good.
What do you mean?
Stay there. Stay here for a moment. I'm gonna go.
Don't sacrifice yourself. It's not worth it for Trigger.
I'm gonna go check.
No!
If I get all your stuff, then it's totally worth it. Go for it, dude.
No! Don't sacrifice yourself. Ow.
I think we're good.
Good is a relative term.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think we're good. Whoop! Oh no, it was just a bird. All right. I think we can go.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna stay in here until Doctor Who's over.
Alright. I think we are good.
You want to do that one more time?
What's up, everyone? Kaiju no Kami
Curlica Kane?
and
Silver Quill.
say hi. Welcome to Clip Show Day, and we're glad that's over.
Was it good? Did you watch it?
Yeah.
Was it worth it?
Bye.